Good morning, my dear children. This is Shruti ma'am, your English teacher, and again I have come to you. And today I will teach you the first chapter of Moments. And the first chapter is The Lost Child, written by Mulkraz Anand. And already I have in written form I have already given you. So now directly I am coming to the chapter, to the lesson. The name of the story is The Lost Child. So that the name tells us if, that what is there in the subject matter. What is the subject matter? What is there in the story? So when we will analyze that, we are getting two words, that lost and child. So child means obviously there will be a small child, and lost means that maybe this is a story. This is how the child has been lost, or that what happened before that, after that, all these things. So let's come to the topic. So it was a fair, and the child was going to the fair with his parents, and that naturally the child was very much excited, very much happy. And a small child, to a small child, a fair means that it's a lots of happiness, lots of excitement. So the child was unable to control his emotions. In this fair, that that naturally some are coming walking, some are coming riding horse, some are coming by bullock cart, these things. So the child was going, and naturally what happened, the parents, they were holding the child, but the child was not always with the parents. Naturally he is small, he is excited, he is just happy, very much happy, overwhelmed, and so he is going here and there. And then naturally the child also tried to ask for the things he was looking at the fair. When he saw that the toy shops, then he started telling, "Mama, give me that toy." And father told, "No." Then the child, then there were the shops of the balloons, there were the shops. Fair means that lots of shops are there, different types of shops, different types of shopkeepers, and all of them have brought lots of things, and all were attractive. So, and a small child, everything is new to him. So she was very much excited. She was very much happy as he was running here. He was running there, and that whenever he is looking something new, he is asking for that. And obviously, father was telling, "No, no, come here. Don't go there. Don't go here." And and mother was naturally soft, and mother was just trying to divert the attention of the child. And when the boy was just they three were going along with other people, and it was full of enjoyment was there. And the child was just going here and there. And that when first time the child asking for the toys, and the child was asking when toys, and father told no. Then again he saw that the sweet shop, and there were different types of sweets, and nice sweets, and smell was coming. So the child was, "Mommy, burfi, I want burfi." Then father told no. So mother told, "Yeah, see that the master field," because the fair was it was a spring fair, and during springtime the fair was there. The child, he went to that fair. It was during springtime. And springtime means, that it was full of beauty of nature. It was nature is in its full bloom. So that everywhere nice things were there. And it was a village fair. So there was a field, and the field was filled with mustard flowers, and everywhere that golden colored flowers were there. And flowers and field means there were butterflies, there were bees. There were what that uh, means this sorts of charming insects, and the child was very much attracted. The child wanted to touch the petals, the child wanted to hold the petals, and this way. And naturally that it shows that Mulkraj Anand, he was showing that how nicely that the child was just totally overwhelmed, overjoyed. And here two things we can say. That first time the child was lost in the different aspects of beauty of the nature as well as the fair. And second time the child was lost, means the child was aparted from his parents. How? So they were in the fair, and there was together there was the natural beauties also. Here mustard field, there are groups of banyan trees, and there are some other things. So the boy was going here, the boy was going there, and then the boy came to that snake charmer, and that the snake was sorry, the person was that what blowing that playing flute, and but the boy wanted to go there, but he remembered that yes, parent especially father told not to go there, so the boy did not go. But other things were there, that the shop of flowers, and that there was gulmohar, garland of made up of gulmohars, and nice that fragrance was coming. The boy wanted to get one garland, but father told no. And then again the little child, the small child, he came back. And now the most attractive thing, what is that? Merry-go-round. And the boy told, Mama, Papa, I want to ride. But this time no reply came. What happened? He just turned back and he saw nobody was there. What happened? Mummy, Papa, Father, Mother. Then that everywhere that it was a crowded place, everywhere people are there, but except his mother and father. So the boy was very much scared and he started crying. And he just know where he was finding his father and mother. So that he went to a shrine, there was a crowd, and there one man, he found that the child was crying, and the man lifted this boy up and asked him that whether his father and mother's how did he come, where is his father and mother. But the boy didn't answer anything. The boy was crying and crying and crying, and the man tried to distract his mind. The man tried to give him everything. Just previously the boy wanted that the toys, the the garland of gulmohar, that the snake, and the merry-go-round, everything the man offered to the boy. But the child was, this time he was just, the whole world seems to him blank, and without his parents he was just he could not imagine, he did not want anything, that all the charming things, all the attractive things just become least attractive and become dull. So this is the condition. Actually we don't know how important our parents are to us. Only when we are losing them, when we are departing from them, then only we can understand. So this is your story, and thank you everyone, and you listen this video and you study, and whenever you will face problem, I will be there. Sure. Have a nice day.